In this video, I'm going to show you the first step to building income after 50. Without the hustle, without the burnout, and without starting over. And at the end, I'll help you decide honestly whether this path is right for you. If you've been thinking, I don't even know where to start, stay with me. When women reach this stage of life, the advice that they often hear is very loud. Start a business. Work harder, they say. Monetize your passions. Hustle while you still can. Well, that's easier said than done, isn't it? But most women watching this aren't looking for excitement, not that kind of excitement. They're looking for steadiness. They want to know how to build income without wrecking their health that may already be compromised, and without draining what little bit of energy we have, and without risking the little piece that they have left. That's why the first step matters so much. More than any other, it matters the most. So here's what most people get wrong. The first step to building income after you hit a certain age is not action. It's not jumping right in head first. It's not committing to something really big. It's not making a big, fast decision. The first step is clarity. Clarity about how income can actually work at this stage of life. Because action without clarity just creates anxiety. And anxiety is what keeps us frozen. Fear doesn't come from a lack of courage. It comes from a lack of understanding. When you don't understand how something works, your nervous system goes on high alert and it stays there. But when you can understand the pieces, changes everything, my friend. That fear softens. You stop imagining that worst case scenario and you start seeing options. That's why clarity is not a luxury. It's the foundation. In a minute, I'm going to explain who this path is not for. Got you there, didn't I? Because that honestly is what actually builds your confidence. When you can start weeding stuff out and knowing what you're not willing to do, then you can start talking about clarity, okay? Let's talk about what that clarity actually can look like. It doesn't mean that you're having everything figured out. It doesn't mean that you have all the answers. It means understanding the framework, how income can be built in layers, how systems can reduce your efforts over time, and how something can be built alongside your life, not on top of it. So clarity gives you language, and language gives you confidence. That's when decisions stop feeling scary, and they start feeling intentional. So let me be honest about something. This path is not for everyone. There's a lot of people that start and quit. I'm not one of them, but there's a lot of them out there. It's not for people who are looking for shortcuts. It's not for people who want instant success or, overnight, instant anything, right? It's not for people unwilling to learn something new. And that's okay. That's okay. We're not all the same. Because this stage of life isn't about proving anything. It's about protecting ourselves. So if you're watching this and you're thinking, I don't need hustle, I need a plan. The final video that you should watch is called, Is This Even Right for You? Let's Be Honest. And I'll see you in the next video, because that's where we're going to talk about fit, without pressure, and without pushing. I'll see you in the final video.